Hey guys, what's up? It's ironZinc or Felix here, and welcome to another episode of Redstone and Command Blocks, Programming in Minecraft. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at 3 more commands. Before I actually start going over the 3 commands, I would like to, first of all, actually sort of apologize. So, last time, when we're, actually, I think in a video before that, some episodes ago, when we're actually going over the time command, there is a set, add, and query. I said I wouldn't go over query because I actually thought it was another more complicated command, and I am actually thinking in my 1.8 mindset. It turned out it was actually very simple. So if I disable this time clock right here and go time query and do daytime. Yeah. So I can actually see what time it is. And if I execute it again, I can again see what time it is. So yeah, I mistook it for a more complicated command, and I do apologize for that. I'm sorry. Finally, let's actually go on to the 3 commands. So the first command that we're going to learn today is called testfor. So it's just testfor. Basically, this one is used for testing for entities. And when using this command, you can basically test for any entity. So if I want to test for nearest player, it will say it found me. Now, what if I am to summon in a pig that is named, oops, totally didn't mean to do that, custom name visible. This is just another tag that makes the custom name actually visible no matter what. Custom name. Let's call it our old friend Oink. Hey. Oh, wait a second. Did I type something wrong? Custom name Oink. I don't think I actually typed anything wrong. It's probably just because I need to add the coordinates. So, yeah. Yep, there we go. You just need to add coordinates. And now his name will show no matter what because of the custom name visible tag. Okay, apparently I'm an idiot. Well, can't say I'm an idiot because, I always make that mistake. So I guess I can't say I'm an idiot. I don't know. It's up to you. Am I an idiot? I don't know. Anyways, our own friend Oink here. Now, let's do testfor. Testfor all entities with a type equals pig and a name equals Oink. It will say it found Oink. And now, what is the use of this? In another video, we actually sort of discussed this when we actually talked about the conditional function of command blocks. So I'm actually going to show you now. So testfor at e with a type equals pig and a name equals Oink thing. And now, before I actually activate the clock, I'm going to say, here for example, say hi. Actually say yes. Set you to conditional. And, yep, so, okay. I think everything's pretty much all set up. Now it's active. Now, we found it, right? Now, what if we kill him? The string of yeses will be, so now if I clear my chat, the string of yeses will pop up again. Now, if I actually kill it and clear my chat again, nothing will pop up, right? Because this command block didn't find a pig that's named Oink. So, naturally, it'll have a success value of 0. And in the first video, we talked about success values a bit. So now it has a success value of 0, and this conditional command block, this conditional chain command block, would now actually just ignore what's inside. It won't execute. That's why the yes wasn't set anymore. Now, if we summon this dude back, I actually cleared my chat. That's my bad. Summon pig, toda, tag. I won't do custom name visible this time. So I'll just do custom name, name, oink. And the string of ESS starts popping up again. Clear my chat. Wait, what was that? Oh, that was a F3 hotkey. Anyways, clear my chat, still popped up. Kill him, clear my chat, everything stopped. So yeah, that's basically the testfor command. And it's pretty simple and it's really, really useful. Okay, now let's move on to the second one. This second one is called the setblock command. So this command and the third command both has to do with blocks. So okay, it's called setblock. Okay, this is actually very, very simple, and you don't it's actually so simple. Setblock. I won't do toda. Okay, I'll do toda one block above toda. And I will choose a block type, for example, iron block. Okay, now let's execute you, and a block will be set here. Just like that. Good and simple. And of course, I could substitute that with any command, for example, 848. Oops. 848, my favorite coordinate, the coordinate of the lovely piece of cobblestone right over there. Now I'm actually setting the block above the piece of cobblestone to iron. If I press this button, the block is set. Simple. And then now how if we can set blocks, create blocks, sort of, then can we destroy blocks? The answer is yes, we can. It's still the same command, set block. And I'll use the same coordinates, 848. Now, this time we just set it to error. Simple. And if we actually do replace afterwards, I think it'll actually have the particles. Let's actually test that out. Apparently not. So, actually, I'm kind of curious to actually try. Let's see. Set block. Old block handling, tile name, old block handling. Okay, so set block, say maybe not. Now here, say toda, and oh, by the way, this is a great way to debug. If you find that you've sort of found a bug, a great way to debug is basically doing what I'm doing now. Iron block, and press tab. Okay, whatever. Press tab. So, what if I press R? No. So, replace definitely isn't one of those. Okay, I forgot the fact that it in itself is a command. Okay. Interesting. I remember in 1.8 it works sort of like that, but for now I'm just gonna get rid of the replace. And it's actually kind of embarrassing. So, I honestly don't really use the data tag, well, the old block handling thing afterwards. I actually never use it. I know it's a thing, but I never use it. So forgive me for my ignorance. I actually don't know. Anyways, now this block is set. This block will actually set that to error. Cool, right? Now let us actually do another cool command. It's called testforblock. So let me quickly set that block. And again, I'm going to set this whole thing up. Actually, I'm going to set it up here. I'm going to set this whole thing up again. Testforblock 848. Basically, this command is sort of the same as the testfor command. The only difference is it tests for blocks instead of for entities. We test for an iron block. And here, say yes. Same thing. Okay. So let me activate that. It starts to say yes. Clear my chat. It will still say yes. Set that block to error. Wait a second. Oh, I forgot to set it to conditional. Yeah. Anyways, now it will start saying yes. This will stop saying yes. If I clear my chat, that's it. start, stop. So it works just like the testfor command, apart from the fact that it tests for a block. Okay, so it's a bit of a short video, but that's everything that we're going to cover today. So that's going to do it for this episode. I hope you've enjoyed, and in the next episode, we're actually going to start working on our first small project. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. So guys, goodbye.